guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 26 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 729, my calendar 1. Okay, so in this problem we are implementing a program to use as your calendar. We can add a new event if adding the event will not cause a double booking. Okay, a double booking happens when two events have some non-empty intersection. That is, some moment is common to both events. Okay, the event can be represented as a pair of integers start and end that represents a booking on the half open interval. Okay, so start is inclusive and end is exclusive, right? The range of real numbers x such that start is less than equal to x and x is just less than end. Okay, we have to implement the my calendar class. My calendar class is just going to initialize the calendar object, and then after that this method boolean book int start int end, this is going to return true if the event can be added to the calendar successfully without causing a double booking. Otherwise we have to return false and do not add the event to the calendar. Okay, so see this example number 1 here. So first we have initialized this my calendar object. So here I'm just simply returning null, and then we are trying to book this event 10 to 20. Okay, so initially there is no booking, right? So I can add this event, right? 10 to 20. So I am returning true here. Then after that, okay, so once I have added this, let's say 10 20 here, okay, in my bookings array list, let's say. Okay, then after that I am going to try to book this event 15 20. Okay, 15 to 20, but I see that this 15 is less than this 20. Okay, both are intersecting, right? 15, so next event wants to start from 15 and ending till 25, but there is one overlap now. Here this event itself is ending at 20, right? So for this I'm just simply returning false. Okay, I have added false. Then after that 20 to 30, can I add this? So here I haven't added this event, right? 15 25 I have returned false. So here after that I will try to add this event 20 to 30. Okay, so here I can next event is going to start from 20 and ending here 30. So we know that this 20 is exclusive, right? This exclusive simply means that this event goes from 10 to 19. Okay, this 20 is exclusive, and here this 20 is inclusive, right? Starting from here. So this is exclusive one and this is inclusive one. Start is always inclusive and end is always exclusive, right? So we can start this event 20 to 30, right? So for this I am returning true. So I hope that you guys are clear with this explanation how this output is coming for this one, right? So these are the constant kilometers. So let's write the code is also going to be very easy. So I'm going to show the two approaches here, first using ArrayList and then later on I will solve this problem using TreeMap. Okay, so first let's write the code for ArrayList. Okay, so here inside this class just create private list of int arrays. Okay, we are passing the arrays only, right? Start and end time. So here let's name it as bookings. This is done. Then here in this class my calendar, just initialize this. Okay, so I'm just going to initialize this bookings list. Okay, so bookings is equal to new array list. Okay, so I have initialized it, and then after that inside this whenever any event is coming, right, a book or start and end time. So what I'm going to do here, first I'm going to run one for each loop. Okay, and I'm going to iterate over all the bookings that I've already added in this list. I have already in this list. Okay, so initially it is empty, so we don't need to do anything here. So first let's write this. Okay, so I am iterating over all the bookings in my bookings array list. Okay, how I am filling this, so we will see that. So here inside this just take the booked start value, and booked start value is nothing but booking of 0, and take the booked end value. Okay, and this booked end value is nothing but booking of 1. Okay, and then after that we have to check if there is an overlap. So how I'm going to check? If so this start is coming, right, this start. So here I'm just going to write if my start is less than booked of end. Okay, so this is what we were checking now. So let's say this is my start, so I am checking if this start is less than previous this one booked of end. Okay, so if it is less than this one and end is greater than booked of start. Okay, so if these two conditions are met, then simply return false. Okay, and otherwise if no overlap, then we have to add the booking. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, after this I'm just going to write bookings dot add, and here new int, and then here I'm just going to pass my start and end value. Okay, that's it. And here after that it's just simply return true. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the code. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So easy using this array list. But here thing is, I am iterating over all the bookings again and again. So for this part, I will take the time complex days of n, right? Because I am every time I'm checking all the bookings that are already there in my list, and then after that I'm checking the start and end for each booking. Okay. So if it becomes false anywhere, then I am simply returning false, otherwise returning true. Okay, this is what I'm doing. But can I overcome this or time complexity of ON? Yes, using TreeMap I can do that. So how am I going to do that? So here let's convert this solution to TreeMap. So private, here instead of this, just write TreeMap. Okay, let me just remove this. So here you need to write private TreeMap, and in this TreeMap I am just going to pass integers. Okay, start and end now. Integer, and here let's name it as calendar. Okay, this is done. Then after that here let's just initialize this. So here let's write calendar is equal to new tree map. Okay, did do this. And then after here what we need to do inside this, so let me just this is my code here I need to write, so let me just remove it. Okay, so inside this what we need to do, so here first we need to find the closest start time less than or equal to the given start. Okay, so for that I'm just going to write integer priv start is equal to calendar dot floor key, and here I'm just going to pass start. Okay, and then just copy this line and paste it here. And now what I need to do after that, we have to find the next start time greater than or equal to the given start. So here just write, change it to next start. Okay, so here I am just checking the pre and next start values only, right? So here same thing, calendar dot, here instead of floor key we just need to write ceiling key. Okay, so these are the properties of this tree map. Okay, ceiling key, and then here we need to start. So what we are doing in this part, I am finding the closest start time less than or equal to the given start. Here in this part I am finding the next start time greater than or equal to the given start. Okay, then after that what we need to do, we need to check if the new event overlaps with the previous event. Okay, so here I am just going to write if priv start is not equal to null and calendar dot get priv start is greater than start. Okay, so here just simply return false. Okay, now just copy this line, paste it here, and here write if my instead of prev start, just check if my next start is not equal to null, and calendar here just write next start is, here you can just write next start is less than, next start is less than end. Okay, then you just simply need to return false, and otherwise just add the values in my calendar and return true. That's it. Okay, so in this case our time complexity is going to be of log n, right? Because all these insertion and search operations will take of log n for TreeMap. So I hope that you guys are clear with today's problem, both the approaches. And here return true. And here one more thing, we don't need to write here calendar.get next start. So let me just remove it, because here I need the start value, so that is why we need to write it like this. Okay, tree map is consisting of these key value pairs. Okay, and here in this prev start I am storing the start value. Okay, and here I need the end value. Okay, if prev start is not equal to null, and the calendar dot get previous starts null value. So here I need to write it like this. Okay, so this is nothing but end, and this is nothing but start. So now let's run it and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Nice. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.